All right, I'm just gonna do this quick. Got it back up and running, put the new pan on, dropped some oil in it, ran it up, it looks good. The pan actually seems to be dry, doesn't seem to be leaking. There is a small drip. It is not from the pan, which is good. It's coming from the adapter for the oil housing, for the oil filter. Let's see, we have one small drip from under the car. If we look up under here, it's dripping from the union on that housing. Why is it dripping from the union on that housing? No clue, didn't do it before. But it's interesting to note that with the new pan, it seems to be running a little bit higher oil pressure, 62-ish instead of 50-ish. So maybe it's just squirting out a little bit more. Okay, it's been an hour and I'm still only seeing leaks from right around where the oil filter housing is. I've been meaning to redo the oil filter setup. This might be a good excuse to do it, so who knows? Maybe I'll do it, maybe I won't.